Okay, so what do I want you to take from this course? The main thing is the ability to critically analyze and evaluate approaches to the project management of innovation, and in particular, how to systematically model project management of innovation projects. So what are the stages of managing innovation projects, and what are the context and challenges posed by innovation projects? The first two bullet points here will be covered in the first part of the course, so week 1 to 4. So they focus more on project level of innovation. The second part of the course looks at organization level. So what are the best practice in structures and processes in organizations that foster creation of innovation and support innovation. And finally we look at how networks, external relations impact in innovation. The course is described in the unit of study outline. So it's a it's a brief description. So let's have a look at the document. It actually can be accessed from the Canvas website, and I'll show you how to do that in a bit. So here is the unit of study outline. There's a quick description of the course and the assessment. So there will be no exams here, so it's completely coursework based, but there will be two major assignments, assignment 1 and assignment 2. The first one is an individual assignment, the second one is a group assignment. And the first one is broken down into two parts, literature review and the report. So literature review, it actually supports the report. So you will be writing on critically about several articles that you will be used as sources for the report. And the second one involves a report, but also a presentation. Then there is also class participation. So here half of the marks are given for your active involvement in the discussion forums, and the second half will involve you producing a short video presentation, and I will let you know what this involves in a couple of weeks. Then, so the study commitment, it's about it's 10 hours per week, roughly speaking, and that I expect you will be able to complete the weekly readings, lecture slides, videos, and online activities in about 4 hours. 4 hours per week. And the other 6 hours will be your independent studies, and in particular working on your assignments. I'm a coordinator at the lecture for this course, so if you have any questions, please do email me. We will be using this textbook written by Joe Tidd and John Bessart, Managing Innovation, and you really do you really should own this text, because we will be using lots of our readings are from these texts. So if you haven't bought it, you better buy it. Otherwise you can try loaning it from the library, but I think it's only a short-term loan from the SciTech library. And the other, we'll also draw some material from this book, Democratizing Innovation, but this one is actually freely available online. course website, it's actually Canvas. Refer to the Canvas site, not Blackboard. Then the other thing is, do familiarize yourself with the academic honesty framework and policy. So in particular, regarding the plagiarism, I will be using the Turnitin software to detect plagiarism in the reports. Finally, there is a weekly schedule here, so if you want to know what topics we are covering, here is this is it. Okay, so this is the unit of study guide. Let's go back to the slides. Okay, so then the next thing is, let's look at the Canvas site. So this will contain all of your material. Right? So here it is. So on the first page you will find a list of recent announcements. Can also go and read them from here. I already posted my first announcement, and this announcement you should get them in your email address. So do check your Sydney University email address to make sure you're not missing any important material. Then let's look at the modules page. Here you have your unit information. So you can access this document that we just looked at from here. And then there is also a detailed unit of study outline, and this one provides more details. Well, in particular, there is a schedule for the classes that I run in block mode. So if you want, you're welcome to attend those classes as well. But I understand that you may be working at those hours, and they're completely optional. All of the material is covered in online mode as well. And then we'll try to organize some virtual tutoring sessions. So that's basically called the Blackboard Collaborate sessions, and where we can. It's basically a conference call, and we can discuss in particular. We can discuss in more detail what I expect from the assessment. Okay, and the other thing here is the